Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that can occur when using Google-pubsub in your project. Imagine you're all set up, following the documentation diligently, but then you hit a roadblock. You run into a 504 deadline exceeded error when trying to list topics using the PublisherClient. Frustrating, right? Well, fear not, there's a solution to this pesky issue. The solution lies in understanding that the PublisherClient leverages application default credentials, ADC, for authentication. This means you don't need to explicitly provide the credentials in your code. However, not specifying the Google project can lead to the timeout error you encountered. To fix this, you must ensure that the list_topics method includes the project information. You can either set the project statically in your code or retrieve it from the environment. By making this adjustment, you'll be able to successfully list topics without any timeouts. To implement the solution, you'll need to modify your code to include the project information in the list_topics method. Once you've done that, you should be able to seamlessly interact with Google-pubsub in your project without encountering any more 504 errors. And there you have it, a simple yet effective fix to get your pubsub operations up and running smoothly. Alright, that's all for today. I hope this solution helps you overcome the 504 deadline exceeded error in Google-pubsub. Remember, technology can be tricky sometimes, but with the right tweaks, you'll be back on track in no time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any tech conundrums you'd like me to tackle next. Until next time, happy coding!